Hi, this is Tanzilur Rahman from Pakistan. I am full stack web developer and mobile application developer. I have 9+ years of experience in my field. I have worked in different tech stacks and frameworks. I worked across the platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Laravel, Coordinator, Ruby on Rails, Python, Node.js, React Native, and so on. I developed my first online store back in 2013 for my Canadian client, and I'm still working with him. My first priority is my client's interest. I try my level best to solve their main points, concerns, and problems, and that is the biggest differentiator that differentiates me from other developers, since for my first priority is my client's interest instead of my own money. I always look forward to building long-term relationship with my clients, so my way of work is totally based upon this concept, the back end of my mind. I'm very much capable to understand my client's needs as I try to put my foot into her shoes at first to understand the requirements. If you are looking for a tech smart guy to assist you in your project, please do contact me.